today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Check in 10th floor. 9. Ay. How can we press them? Paano mag... Oh, yun na, may rice mo. Yeah. LIHO. Dito. LIHO. Correct? Translate. Check in 10th floor. 10th floor. 10th floor ang check in, guys. Gana? No. 10th floor. Dito? Siguro. Nag-akyat?
Oh, I don't know. Sarapan mo.
Ay! Wala kasi dyan, no? Okay, 10th floor. 10th floor. Yeah. Hello. We have a reservation.
Okay. Do you have a reservation number?
Yes. Just a sec. Oh, do you have Wi-Fi here?
Wi-Fi? Yeah. Please search the list IDs 1015.
1015.
And these are the password.
Password is 44409.
Yes.
Okay. You need the number, right?
Yes.
汉口街2段54号。地址是一栋大楼，那大楼这边
Let me
可以
check.
搭电梯。
Likewise.
Okay.
Instead of 4 nights, 4 nights,
Yes.
and book the triple room.
Yes.
And how many persons?
3.
With any people's passport.
Passport. All of our passport or just one?
All persons. Okay. This is your passport, CP. Do you have Taiwanese cell phone number?
Let me check
Okay.
if this has one. Yeah, this one, right?
No.
The one below?
No, it's not.
It's not on that.
It's maybe you write your country phone number.
Okay.
Just like. Okay, thank you very much. Your number on the 9th floor, 9:15, and check out last day before 12 o'clock. If you have any question, please call number 9. You can confirm that. And room is all non-small key.
Okay.
When you take an elevator, you need to use the room key, scan the elevator sensor, and press the 9th floor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
On the last day, can we just leave
Keep
this one?
your-
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay.
We just
when
bring it here?
You check.
Yeah, we'll check early in the morning.
Oh,
and
it's
then...
okay. You check out. We can early. You can keep your luggage.
Okay.
And
And
please
then-
notice don't throw anything in the toilet.
Okay.
Okay. And then if you need to make up your room pass, please pass this auto. If not, you pass this one.
Okay.
Yes. In the room have this one.
Okay. Password is near the door.
Behind your room door, you can find ID and password.
Okay. Thank you.
And if you need to use the water dispenser, it's between the 25 and 27 here. But water dispenser.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. 9
Thanks,
floor.
bro.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dun. One at a time. Thank you. 9. Ay. How can we press?
You need to scan.
Ah, over here.
Yeah,
Okay.
and press the next
Okay, thank you. May number ba kasi? Ayun, oh, you have to... Ay, 915 dan. Cerita. Okay. 999. Okay guys, we're going to our room now. Nine 915. Wow! Wow! Walang window. Sige, pasok. Wow! Password. And then it's just door. And then yung do not disturb. May bidet wala. Wala yung bidet. Tapos meron silang heater. Ay, room tour muna tayo guys. Room tour tayo guys. May table and chair. Ang mayroon sa kanila. Tissue. And then heater. And then may salamin na maliit. TV. Telephone. Mayroon silang ref. Andito ang tubig sa ref. So, meron silang free na 3. Oops. Tapos, cabinet. Ayun. Oh! Meron pang unan. May unan pa. And then, hangeranan. Tapos, CR. CR. May bathtub ang CR. Ayan guys. Hot and cold shower. Tapos, gel. Shampoo and shower gel. Ayan. Tapos, walang bidet. CR na walang bidet. Tapos, may tissue. Towel, blower. Tapos, ito. Yung para sa ngipin. Shower cup. Cleaning kit. Razor. Nandito yung pang razor. Tapos, toothbrush. 3. Tapos may supply sila. May supply. Ayan. Okay guys. Ang saksakan. Meron dito. Saksakan. Saksakan. Diyan guys. Yan ang mga saksak. Sa Agoda kami nag-book guys. So, ito yung LIHO Hotel Hankou Branch. Nag-taxi lang kami papunta dito. Ang gibayaran natin for 4 nights guys is 9,274.49. Ito na. Triple room. So, ito yung wifi nila guys. Dito sa room. So, bali... Okay, so ang speed ng kanilang net is 7.13 Mbps. So guys, yung daanan daw parang uyanggo rin sa Davao. Guys, ako magpapalinis kayo, meron silang magnet dito. Magnet yung door nila, kaya mabigat. So, ayan guys, do not disturb and then please make up room. So, ilagay lang siya dun sa harapan. Okay, go. First dinner, guys. Ayo. Tita. Yan yung hotel, LIHO Hotel. Yan o! Diyan na lang. Bukas na tayo maglaang. Kaon na tayo para makatulog tayo. Ayan, na ba? soup, dumpling. Ito ang problema guys, yung isa naghahanap ng rice. Dito tayo mag-ikot. Dito. Hanap tayo, hanap kami. Yun na. Rio. Tingnan natin doon sa may likod. So may tamang tawiran guys ha. Kane? Paano mag... Oh, yun o, may rice mo. Yun o. Oh. Oh, may rice. Oh. Oh, yan na. Yan na, bro. Ito.
Sabi niyo kung may rice, pumunta na kung wala.
Ito nito.
Shrimp roll.
Kung may rice din.
Chicken.
Ayun na, chicken lagi.
No, may fish oh.
O sige yan, fish stick.
Ay, pero wala siyang rice. Can we add rice for this one?
Rice.
Like fish steak and then rice? Or,
No.
yeah.
This one?
Fish steak. One fish steak, ikaw pang. This one.
With rice.
Beef steak.
This one?
Beef. And with rice also. Yeah, chicken, beef.
Chicken.
I no, fish. Fish and then beef steak. And then
Fish rice.
yeah. And then another this one.
This one?
All with rice.
Yeah, all with rice.
Chicken rice.
Ay, oops! Magdagdag ta isa ano.
Sige.
Ay. Excuse me, we'll also add one seafood. Yeah.
This one?
Yes. Thank you.
4个。
Yes, one. Thank you. Okay. And hindi namin alam anong puro Chinese na guys. That's random restaurant. Chuyo. Gamis. Oh. Gamis. Kuya, maubos pa. Sige. Medium rare.
Fish.
Sa'yo. Mauna ako ah. Oh, this is fish.
Yeah.
Stir-fry lamb. Sa akin. Soup nila guys. Then may free sopas na din sila. And then sarap guys yung lamb. Stir-fried lamb. Hindi namin alam ano yung English name pero andito pa na. Yan. Yan.
Yan ang baon ng bukas ko.
Milk. Pay. Ito yun guys. Your back.
Thank you.
Marami sila. Yan guys. Go! Okay guys. Busog. Busog.
Ilan na pera dito?
600. Doon lang siya guys. Basta dyan o, dyan o. Dyan, pasok dyan.
Ay, magbili ako ng kwanto.
Tara!
Kuman na ako ng 7-Eleven para sa water. Kailangan ko kasi ng maraming water.
Yung kinainan namin guys doon lang sa may parking. Ako pala doon. Tapos yung parents ko doon o. Hinihintay ako. So yun guys, ang first dinner na. First meal sa Taiwan. Ito guys, yung LIHO Hotel. Ano guys? Hello! Mag-rest na kami for tonight. See you tomorrow. Ay, hindi! Iba! Akala ko tayo ang first.
Park nila o. Mga bata ang nakalagay.
Ako daw ang cute princess. Si mamang ang cute. Si mamang kay visitor.